Receiving money on PayPal is a straightforward process that allows you to easily access funds from friends, family, or businesses. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Create a PayPal account. If you don't already have a PayPal account, visit the PayPal website or download the app. Click on Sign Up and follow the prompts to create a personal or business account, providing the necessary information. Step 2. Link your bank account or card. Once your account is set up, link it to your bank account or credit/debit card. Go to the Wallet section and click on Link a Bank or Link a Card. Follow the instructions to complete the linking process. Step 3. Share your PayPal email address. To receive money, you need to provide the sender with your PayPal email address. This is the email associated with your PayPal account. Make sure to communicate it clearly to avoid any errors. Step 4. Request money optional. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Check your balance. After the sender completes the transaction, check your PayPal balance. You can do this by logging into your account and viewing the balance on your dashboard. The money should appear shortly after it is sent. Now you are ready to receive money on PayPal easily. Enjoy the convenience of digital transactions.